What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda here. This is just going to be a quick look at this LONGWAY. I guess that's the brand of it. Small travel-sized 1 ounce containers, and I picked these up because I've been doing a lot of traveling lately, and they do make a lot of things in travel-sized containers, everything from toothpaste to hairspray, facial cream, facial scrub, suntan lotion, what have you. But what I've really noticed is that there's a lot of times that I am about to hit the road and I don't have like the travel-sized containers, and I've got plenty of the larger bulk size that you would use in your house, whether it's shampoo or whatever it might be, but you can't take that through TSA, right, when you're flying. So that's why I picked this up. I don't know if they're marked here, but I believe these are supposed to be 1 ounce containers. You can see I got them in this like kind of retro green. Look how many we have. We've got 6 of these little bad boys, and you can get them in pink and white as well, but I thought, why not get a little color? Now I wanted to open this up here. First of all, I'm going to show you that it kind of looks like a little makeup jar, and I'm just going to tighten that down, and that seems to be on there pretty well. I'd actually like a little coinage or a little scoring to make sure that I can open this up later. But when I open this up, because you can see the threading there, they have this little plastic buffer. Now I saw this is like a hard plastic. It's not like a soft silicone. That's actually what I thought it might be. I do like the fact that it has a little tab there so I can pull it up. So you kind of have a gasket here when you're putting this back together. So you can put your stuff in here, squeeze some toothpaste or whatever sunscreen in there, put that in there, and then tighten this down, and you won't have to worry about it kind of leaking. Now if I take this out and I just tighten this down, yeah, I can tighten that down too, and it seems to be pretty well locked into place. So I'm not really sure if you should or shouldn't have this. I'm probably going to use it just because of the low air pressure in airplanes. I don't want anything oozing out or squeezing out, but that's what it looks like. This is the size of it. It's pretty small. It's probably pretty easy to take with you and pack. Now I do want to show you that it comes with some other stuff. So we have these little stickers here. You can write what's on it, because I don't know that you can write on here, maybe with a paint pen or something like that, but Sharpie it up and then write, sunscreen SPF 50 or whatever it is on there. And then also right here, it comes with these little like plastic spoons. I'm not sure if that's for like powder or something like that, if you're using that, but can help you scoop your stuff out. And that's about it. So you get a whole bunch of these. I will put a link to this in the description if you want to pick them up. Peter von Panda out.